All right, guys, next up, we got another Super Break basketball edition. This one's going to be break number 7. You've got one basketball card per box. You've got stars, rookies, Hall of Famers, Jordan. You can find some, I think, some redemptions for signed memorabilia. LeBron James, I think, autographed baseball or basketball, I think. So there's some really cool stuff that you can find in here. So every spot in the break gives you 3 random teams. Brent's got 1 spot, Rick M with 3, Stephen P's got 2, Jeff M with 1, Bob's got 2 spots, and Brad closed us out with the last spot. All right, let's go ahead and randomize our teams. So we'll mix this up 5 times. All right, 3 teams per spot. All right, guys, here we go. So, Bob, you've got the Celtics, the Nuggets, the Magic, the Nets, Cavs, and the Bucks. Brad's got the Trailblazers, Wizards, and Suns. Brent with the Timberwolves, Lakers, and Spurs. Jeff's got the Thunder, Bulls, and Kings. Rick with the Knicks, Hornets, Rockets, Clippers, Pistons, Mavericks, Raptors, Sixers, and Hawks. And then, Steven, you've got the Heat, the Warriors, the Jazz, the Grizzlies, the Pelicans, and the Pacers. All right, there are your teams. Break number 7. So this is our last box out of this case. We're going to be busting into a brand new case coming up with the next break. All right, we got a Luka rookie. Not bad here. It's the NBA Hoops. Leading the way on the MVP conversation so far. So it's going to be Dallas, which will be Rick. So Rick, nice hit there for you, man. I don't know what that card's worth raw, but nice hit. So we'll get that card in the mail tomorrow, and we'll do other boxes of this coming up here over the next couple weeks.